right, we're going to head underneath this low mileage Allante. And it just looks amazing under here. We haven't touched it, just got it, just put it on the rack. Everything looks very clean and tidy up here. Beautiful floors. Engine looks dry. Very nice. It looks like the low mileage car that it is. I'm gonna take a little tiny magnet, really light. It's got a little plastic film on it. Don't worry, just go around the lower portion. You know, it's so obviously all original. Probably don't need to do this, but people like this. It sticks. It's also super nice down low. Check that out. Very tidy. Definitely looks its mileage.